Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm bringing to you a tip of the day. And this tip is about overheads. Now, overheads are the fixed costs of your business that you pay no matter what. One of the biggest fixed costs that we tend to have that is hiding in our business, hiding in plain sight, is our subscriptions. So, my tip is to cut any subscriptions that are not being used. But that also extends to subscriptions that perhaps aren't fit for purpose, or subscriptions that we find that we're just not, that we've duplicated the capability. So for example, you might have a program that does word processing and video capture, and another program that does video capture. So if you've got one that does word processing and video capture, you don't need the one that does video capture. Unless it offers some substantial benefits, you can actually probably save the money on that subscription. Another subscription we tend to have, things like magazines. Magazines sitting in your waiting room, do you really need them? Perhaps you could consider something like an iPad that has a rolling set of your own service offerings, or something else. But paying for expensive subscriptions that you don't use can sometimes be in upwards of $100 a month in subscription costs. So some of these big programs that we use cost an extreme amount per month. And if you think about $100 a month, if you can save $100 a month, that's $1,200 a year that you're saving off your overheads just by taking things out that you no longer use or no longer have any value to your business. This is a great project for a young person that you can put on and say, hey, want you to have a look at our subscriptions. What's out there now? What price is it? What do we use these for? Do we have something else that we can use them? And just get them to do a full review. It's probably a great opportunity for you to also check out that their privacy guidelines are what they need to be leading up to some of the privacy legislation that's been rolled out worldwide. So there's my tip of the day. Cut any subscriptions not being used and cut your overheads.